bomb explosion on Taiwo Street in Munshi local government area of Lagos was triggered by a scavenger. On Saturday, the explosion claimed the life of a scavenger and left 3 others injured. It was gathered that the scavenger was attempting to dismantle a military-grade grenade with the intention of collecting them as part of a scrap metal he was searching for. The scavenger, whose identity is yet to be known, was handling one of the grenades when it detonated, killing him instantly. 3 other individuals whose name and addresses are also unknown sustained various degrees of injury and were rushed to a nearby hospital for medical treatment. Lagos State Police Public Relations Officer confirmed the incident. He said at 1:30 p.m. on April 3, 2025, a distress call was received by the EOD unit based in Ikeja that there was a bomb explosion in Tiwa Street. Our team of operatives was swiftly mobilized to the site. Thank you for watching Daily Scoop. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment.